Good day everyone, especially to our beloved instructor, Ma'am Nuaris and Peña. This is our report about the mood disorder and personality.
Good morning, ma'am. Today I'm going to discuss what is mood disorder. Mood disorder are disorders characterized by extreme and unwanted disturbance in feelings or mood. These are major disturbance is one's condition as emotion such as depression, mania. It is otherwise known as affective disorder. From the word mood is this is a long-term emotional state. So ang iyang emotion ani is mag-change like ano siya nga mood yung feelings is masad, ma happy and usahay is maghilak siya like dili siya long term ang iyang pagka-mood ay sa mood disorder. Um this is next is bipolar disorder is different kay siya sa mood wings kay dili kay kung naa kay mood wings bipolar disorder na ka ang nga tao or bipolar disorder or bipolar na ka nga tao dili, dili siya tao pareha sa major dili siya pareha sa depressive disorder sa isa ka disorder na involve ang mood sa isa ka tao na ay dysfunction. So ang mood ana is overall state, mind or overall feelings of a person that is had response of external events. So mood sa isa ka tao kay naay positive and negative. So ang positive ana is mo to siya ang happiness, ang negative is naay sadness. So ang dito ang mga kagool sa negative and sa mga happiness is dito ang mga kalipay nimo nga which is dito nimo makita kung unsa ang imong positive and negative. So dysfunction is this is kanang sa dysfunction is nakaranas sa extreme and negative mood sa isa ka tawo which is basically depressive episode mo na siya ang mga kanang extreme kaayo nga mga negative mood dito ang mga kasakit dito ang mga imong mga kag-goal permi like sa mga problema sa pag-eskwela sa mga budget dito ana siya mapadulong sa negative mo na siya ang depressive episode. So karon nga naay counterpart sa positive mood dili lang kay negative mood nasad sa positive mood extreme sa manic episodes or sa manic episode or mania. According sa DSM-5-DR, basically kabaliktaran siya sa depressive episode kay ang mga tao nga na ay manic manic episode is so kanang mura na siya ang manic is mo na siya ang kanang mura siya og kanang mga mga animals nga nakabuhi sa hawla like sa sobra kayo ka nga energetic, sobra ka nga tabian, impulsive kayo to the point nga naglifting na and then naglifting na ang uban o kanang risky behavior kanang nagdrive og kusog kay sa nga tanan nya murag wala na sila sa ilang feelings nang nang wala na sila kabalo kung unsa ka kusog ang ilang padagan mo nang need na sila i-hospitalize taas na kailang mood to the point nga dili na nila need og 8 hours nga matulog dili na nila need nga 8 hours na matulog sa gabi kay grabe to the muna jud na grabe sila ka energetic and then sa ilang pagka severe to the point nga need na nila mapa-hospital tungod kay kanang dili na nila maka-hospital ay need na nila ma-hospital pa dili sila makadisgrasya og tao og dili sila madisgrasya mo nang need nila ipa-hospital jud mo nang possible nga need sila magpa-hospital para mas walay disgrasya may tao.
I am Cadet Berioso and I'm going to discuss about the personality disorders. So first, what is personality disorders? Personality disorders are chronic maladaptive cognitive behavioral patterns that are thoroughly integrated into the individual's personality and that are troublesome to others or whose pleasure sources are either harmful or illegal. So personality disorders may be caused by genetic factors, traumatic events, verbal abuse or abusive relationships. But people can treat symptoms of personality disorders through different types of therapy. There are 10 types of personality disorders. Psychologists categorize disorders in three different clusters. Cluster A, odd or eccentric behavior. In cluster B is dramatic, emotional, erratic behavior. And in cluster C is anxious or fearful behavior. So in cluster A, odd or eccentric behaviors. So ang mga tao nga na ay mga odd or eccentric behaviors is mag-act sila departing from what is ordinary, usual, or to be expected. So the number one is schizoid personality disorder or the SPD. Those with SPD may be perceived by others as somber, aloof, and often are referred to as loners. So ang mga tao din nga na ay schizoid personality disorder is mo ni sila ang mga tao nga hilig mapag-isa. So there are lack of desire for close personal relationships. So they are preferred to be alone and seem withdrawn and emotionally detached. Seem indifferent to praise or criticism from other people. So they do have difficulty of forming relationship with others. So number two, the paranoid personality disorder or the PPD. Although they are prone to unjustified angry or aggressive outbursts when they perceive others as disloyal or deceitful, those with PPD more often come across as emotionally cold or excessively serious. So, they feel constant suspicion and distrust toward other people. So, mo ni ang mga tao nga naay paranoid personality disorder is mo ni ang mga tao nga mga naay high suspicious. So, kusog kaayo mo duda. They believe that others are against them. So, permi sila gatuo nga ang ubang tao, permi kontra sa ila, and constantly look for evidence to support their suspicion. So, permi sila mangita og ebidensya para mo suporta sa ilang mga pagduda. So, number 3 is schizotypal personality disorder or the SPD. These disorders are characterized both by a need for isolation as well as odd, outlandish, or paranoid beliefs. Some researchers suggest this disorder is less severe than schizophrenia. So, ang mga tao nga naay mga schizotypal personality disorder is mao ni sila ang mga tao nga naay mga strange beliefs and fantasies. So, they're engaged in odd thinking, speech, and behavior. They may ramble or use words and phrases in unusual ways. They may believe they have magical control over others. So, mo ni usahay nga atong gaignon ang tao nga mga weirdo kay naa sila yung mga strange beliefs and fantasies. So in cluster B, dramatic, emotional, or erratic behaviors. So number 1 is antisocial personality disorder or APB. APD is characterized by lack of empathy or conscience. So mo ni ang mga tao nga naay mga lack of konsensya. So a difficulty controlling impulses and manipulative behaviors. Antisocial behavior in people less than 18 years old is called conduct disorder. So, ang mga tao nga na mga antisocial personality disorder is mag-act sila in a way that disregards the feelings and rights of other people. So, wala sila pakialam sa feelings and rights of other people. So, ang mga antisocial personalities pod, maupo na sila ang kasagara mo break sa law. So, they may lie repeatedly. So, mamakak sila. So, permi sila mamakak. Act impulsively. So, buhaton nilang isa ka butang nga dili na sila maghunahuna and they get into physical fights. So, ang antisocial personalities, they may even kill other people. So, people with this disorder are also sometimes called sociopaths or psychopaths. The second one is borderline personality disorder or BPD. This mental illness interferes with an individual's ability to regulate emotion. Borderlines are highly sensitive to rejection, and fear of abandonment may result in frantic efforts to avoid being left alone. So, such as suicide threats and attempts. So, ang mga tao nga naay borderlines personality disorder is mo ni mga tao nga mahadlok, ma-reject. So, they also engage in risky behavior. So, risky behavior. Napod ni sila yung mood swings. So, they make frantic efforts to avoid real or imagined abandonment by others. So, they may experience minor problem as major crisis. So, if maka-experience sila o kanang minor problems, ilang na yung ginating na major crisis na ni sa ilang kinabuhi. They express their anger, frustration, and dismay through suicidal gestures, self-mutilation, and other self-destructive acts. So, ang mga tao nga na ay borderlines personality disorder is mo na sila ang mga ang ilang gina-express ang ilang anger, frustration through suicidal gestures or other self-destructive acts. So, borderline personalities are at high risk for developing depression, alcoholism, drug dependence, and bulimia. So, the third one is narcissistic personality disorder or NPD. NPD is characterized primarily by grandiosity, need for admiration, and lack of empathy. Narcissistic tend to be extremely self-absorbed, intolerant of others, perspectives, insensitive to others, needs, and indifferent to the effect of their own egocentric behavior. So, ang mga tao nga naa ay narcissistic personality disorder is mo na sila ang mga tao nga wala sila ipaki sa feelings of other people. So, they think that they are highly special, unique, and they should be regarded more special than other people. So, they believe they are special, unique, or superior to others. So, mao ni ang mga tao nga naa ay narcissistic personality disorder. The fourth one is histrionic personality disorder or the HPD. So, individuals with this personality disorder exhibit a pervasive pattern of excessive emotionality and attempt to get attention in unusual ways such as bizarre appearance or speech. So, mo ni mga tao nga mga atong ginatawag nga mga KSP or ang mga kulang sa pansin. So, they are always seek out of attention. So, they strive to be the center of attention. So, they may also talk in dramatic or theatrical style and display exaggerated emotional reaction to get attention from others. So, the cluster C, the anxious, fearful behaviors. So, number one is the avoidant personality disorder or the APD. Those with avoidant personalities are often hypertensive to rejection and unwilling to take social risk. Avoidant displays a high level of social discomfort, timidity, fear of criticism, avoidance of activities that involve interpersonal contact. So, ang mga tao na ay avoidant personality disorder is they always think their reputations and what other peoples think of them. So, they possess intense anxious shyness. So, they aren't just shy, they are afraid to be rejected. They fear being criticized and rejected. So, they are unlikely to take a high risk. So, they often view themselves as socially inept and inferior to others. So, the second one is dependent personality disorder or DPD. People with dependent disorder typically exhibits a pattern of needy and submissive behavior and rely on others to make decisions for them. So, kani nga mga taong muna sila ang mga tao nga dili nila kaya panindingan ang ilang kaugalingon nga sila ra. So, they are fear of being alone. So, they are dependent. So, they have difficulty in making decisions without a great deal of advice and reassurance from others. So, galisod sila decide para silang kaugalingon without advice of other or without kanang suggestion from others. So, they feel uncomfortable by themselves. So, dili sila ganahan nga sila ra sa ilang kaugalingon. So, the third one is obsessive compulsive personality disorder or the OCPD. Individuals with OCPD, also called a narcissistic personality disorder, are so focused on order and perfection that their lack of flexibility interferes with productivity and efficiency. They can also be workaholics, preferring the control of working alone, as they are afraid that work completed by others will not be done correctly. So, ang mga tao nga na ay OCPD is mo na sila ang mga tao nga workaholics. So, dili po sila gusto nga ang ilang trabaho is trabahoon sa uban kay mahadlok sila nga kanang nga trabaho is dili matarong. So, they have a preoccupation with details, orderliness, perfection, and control. So, mo na yung mga tao nga mga perfectionist. So, they are over devotion to work and they tend to be rigid, formal, stubborn, and serious. So, mo ni mga tao nga mga high standard person. So, this disorder differs from obsessive compulsive disorder, which often includes more bizarre behavior and rituals. That would be all. Thank you.